I'm Master Chief Blake Kilborn. I'm the officer in charge at Coast Guard Station Little Creek in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And I also have my 9-year-old border collie, Rain, who serves alongside with me at the station. She's also previously served in 3 other Coast Guard units. Pretty much started from the day she was a pup. She does everything that we do pretty much at the unit, getting underway on small boats. Previous unit was a Coast Guard cutter. She made all the patrols on that. As a border collie, she's high energy. She loves to play. So pretty much anything that's physical activity, she likes to be involved with. Rain, I don't believe, thinks she's a dog. She's a level above a dog.